Hey guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, we are going to be packing for college. I did this video last year when I moved into my freshman dorm, and I decided to do it again because you guys seem to really like it. This video is sponsored by JCPenney. As you guys know, I would never work with a brand that I didn't trust in and believe in, so thank you to JCPenney for sponsoring this video because they're amazing and they have a ton of dorm decor. So this is kind of a chaotic day for me because I leave tonight to go out of town, and then when I come home, I will be home for a few days, but I won't have enough time to pack for college because I will be working. Today, it's kind of crazy. It's almost noon and I've been working, doing conference calls, emails, YouTube stuff all day long. I mean, it's only noon, but like I have to leave soon. I have to leave in like 9 hours to go to the airport. My flight's at like 1 a.m. I always like to be early to the airport. Today's really my only day to pack to move into college. I'm moving into my sorority house if you guys did not know. I have a ton of stuff that I have to pack up. Since I'll be home for the few days, there's some stuff that I'm like, should I pack this up? Because I'll also be using it on an everyday basis. And then I also have to pack up my suitcase for going to Florida, but also like I was just on a trip, so it's in there kind of already packed because I didn't unpack it. Also, I did get some stuff for my dorm that I haven't shown you guys yet, so I thought I would do a quick haul before I pack it all up because it's all so cute. I've never vlogged from this angle before. Do you like it? I just set you down. All the stuff that I'll be hauling is from JCPenney. Again, they're sponsoring this video, but like everything that I got was so cute. They have a ton of stuff. Like, I'm not kidding. They pretty much have everything. It's like a great like all-in-one place, and everything is super affordable. I know when you're moving out and going into a dorm, you have to buy a lot of stuff, so it can build up and get pretty expensive. So if you find a place like JCPenney, it's great to find like really good stuff at an affordable price. I chose to shop at JCPenney because they had so much cute stuff that really fit my personal style, and even if you guys don't really like my style, they have a ton of other stuff too. So let's get started. First thing, I have a pillow. Are we surprised? I love throw pillows. This one I thought, okay, I don't want to say cute every 10 seconds, but I think we may have to. Everything that I got is so cute, but I like this one. It's white and has like these little poof pom-pom looking ball things, and it's a really good size. Like, compare it to my head, like that's a good size pillow. I'm gonna be like a little interior designer right here, like lifestyle guru or like interior designer, pick one. I know I really like adding throw pillows because they add so much depth and texture and just like style to the room, and it makes your room look a little bit more like luxurious and like expensive. That's why I really like throw pillows, and I really like throw pillows that have like 3D things. As you can see, these like pom-poms are 3D and they're on both sides, so if you stain one side, you can just turn it around, because I stain a lot of things, but just like don't stain things and you don't have to worry about it. You can put them on your bed, on your chair, in the corner of your room. You can't go wrong with a good throw pillow. I also got some bedding because if you guys remember, I found a bedding and then I was like, this is super itchy and uncomfortable, like and I found this one from JCPenney. It's beautiful. I actually did not know that it was reversible, and I actually love the fact that it's reversible. So the reason I chose this was because the base of it is white, and when I feel like the base of it's white, you can really switch things up and add decorative throw pillows and add some personality to your room. It's also super important to have comfy bedding, which is why I was looking for a different one, because you want your room to feel like home, and if you don't want to lay and fall asleep in your bed, does it really feel like home? Because it really doesn't. So this one's actually really soft. I like unzipped it and felt it to make sure it was soft, and it passes the test. But like I said earlier, I picked this because it was like a base of white, but I didn't know it was reversible, and I should put it more into the frame. Sorry. So it's reversible. As you guys can see, the back of it is like this mauve color. This is a twin/twin XL, by the way. The reversible side is mauve color, and I definitely see myself, especially in the winter, using the reversible side like on the top. I love switching things up for the season. Sometimes I get bored, and I think having a reversible bedding is like perfect for that. You don't need to buy new bedding, but you can just turn it over. Brushed for softness. I don't even know what that means, but like I'm happy about it. So JCPenney not only has like decor stuff, but I thought I'd throw this in here. They also have a ton of electronics. So this is the Hypercharge wireless fast charging pad. If you guys know what these are, you basically just like set your phone on it and they charge. Like, you don't need to plug anything in, and I think these are the best things ever. I wanted to get one for my dorm room. When you're in college, you're always doing stuff. You're always working out of your dorm, like studying, so your phone dies a lot, so you always want to have something on hand to just really throw it on, not have to worry about it, because my phone, whenever I plug it in, it like does not stay plugged in. It just does not like cords. I really wanted to get this. I also thought this would be the perfect thing ever for when I'm studying. I get very distracted when I study, and I like to go on my phone a lot, so I thought if I had this charging pad that I just had to set my phone on, it lays down when it's charging, so you can't be on your phone really while it's charging. It's a great way to like stay focused while you're trying to study or work. I also got some cute little decor. This one I think is adorable. I live in Arizona, as you guys know, so I wanted to like bring that in. It's a little cactus. I guess it's cacti because there's two, and has the gold bottom. I think this is the cutest thing I've ever seen. I want to like put this everywhere. I think putting little things like this on your desk or on your nightstand really helps help bring the whole room together, and there's a green in other places in my room, so I thought this would be the perfect way to like tie in the green that's on my main wall like into my desk and just kind of make it all look cohesive and like it belongs. I also got this ceramic plant. Ceramic planter. It has a cute little planty thing on top, and the base of this is so cute. This right here ties in perfectly to some baskets that I got, so again, making it cohesive, making everything fit together. I thought this is a great way to add some color into your room and also like add some life into your room, but like without the responsibility of like keeping it alive. It's fake, so you don't need to water it. Also, dorm rooms are pretty dark, so there's not a ton of sunlight coming in, so it's really hard to keep plants alive. I wanted to get a fake one, and I think this looks really real. Like, if we're being honest, I would have thought this was real. I would have accidentally watered it if I didn't know. It's a great way to trick your friends into thinking you're responsible. Last thing we have here is a mirror. I'm like sitting on it. I have this mirror. I'm not trying to like blind you with the mirror, but I think this is really cute. Also, the little pattern goes with this plant and my baskets that I have. Mirrors are an awesome way to make your dorm room feel bigger. Dorms are small, we all know this. Mirrors reflect, as we all know, which makes a room appear to be bigger. So I got this one. I didn't want an oversized mirror, so if you guys want to check any of these things out, I will have a link down below for you guys. Make sure you check out your local JCPenney to shop some of their dorm decor, or go online, which is what I did. I'm a good online shopper. Check it out. They were also super affordable, so that's a bonus. Okay, now we're gonna pack. This is my filming room. It looks like a total mess right now. Yikes. So if you guys don't know, I lived in a dorm last year, like I said, so I had a bunch of stuff. So I've just been like hiding them in corners around my house. I decided to bring it all together into one room. This is a good majority of it. I mean, well, I guess not. I don't know. There's still like stuff up here. I still have stuff like in my drawers, in my dresser, closet. I mainly just wanted to have everything in one room. I have some bins that they're right out there that I'm planning on putting everything in. I will be doing a video talking about how to pack for college and like things that really help me. One thing I need to do is go through all of these drawers and then these drawers. Oh my gosh, and I have my makeup in my room and stuff like that. So it'll just be pretty time consuming. We're gonna time lapse you. I hope you enjoy. Oh, beautiful. Don't look at my stomach. I ate a lot of food. A little update for you guys. I feel like I've gotten a lot done. This has taken me a lot less time than it did last year, just because I feel like I have some experience and I know how to pack things, which video coming soon. I've packed up a good amount of stuff so far. The thing that I'm kind of stressing about right now is clothes and shoes, because again, I'm going out of town and then I'll be back for a few days. I won't have enough time to like pack up the stuff that I'm packing up now, but I'm like, what if I want to wear some of this stuff? So I put some clothes aside from my drawers, pack and then to wear when I'm here. Okay, you can't see it. Awkward. Oh, I did forget something. I was feeling like I had more and I was like, I know I have more, but I remember that I do have more. Fantastic. Oh, wow. Not my best angle. Do you guys want to see the progress that I've made so far? But this right here is like closet, kitchen, bath kind of stuff. I have these that I'm planning on putting in my closet. I have like this stuff for like bathroom, kitchen. My Polaroid just like fit in there conveniently, but I have that stuff. Closet, like my laundry basket, cleaning supplies. I don't really have that much cleaning supplies this year, so I think that's something I need to get more of. And this one is my like decor, so I have the picture frames, the things I'm doing, and then I just have some like electronic stuff, and then I'll probably put the stuff that's in here. I have like some beauty stuff like face masks, things like that I'll probably put in there, and then I have self-tanning stuff and like stuff in there, so that will also go in there. If there's no lid to this, that's kind of stressing me out because I don't want these to like fly out somewhere, so I may have to put something else in there that like is not as like valuable as like my camera stuff, because as you guys can see, the lid won't close with these picture frames. Those are my swimsuits that I'm bringing. I was planning on like putting them in my clothes bin, but I was thinking I'll just bring that and I'll be fine to like get around here. You can't enter or exit. I also have some clothes that are dirty from my last vacation. These are my dirty clothes. Sorry, I'm showing you that. That's another thing that I should have done before, but I just like literally do not have enough time, so I guess I can just pack that stuff in my suitcase. These are some clothes that were in these drawers that I don't think I'll be wearing like right now this week. Here's some of the stuff that I want to wear this week and like bring on my trip. And only one extra bin. Oh my gosh. I'm planning on bringing that ring light, but not the rest of this stuff. These pillows are what I use to sit on when I film. I didn't know where else to put them, but down here I have bedding stuff, pillows, blankets, all that stuff in there. I just forgot the stuff that I hauled. I forgot to bring in here, so I will definitely do that. I think my next thing that I want to do is just go through the clothes in my closet, and I'm not going to pack up the t-shirts just yet, but I think what I'm going to do is just go through and then see what things I want to take and what things that I don't want to take. Not the angle that we want to see. Bad news, I pretty much didn't consolidate any of it. Everything that I took away, I feel like I added more clothes from the other section, but it's okay. I still have dresses and stuff that I need to go through too. Here's what we got. There's lots of stuff over here. That is a lot of clothes, but like if I'm gonna be wearing them, then. Now we're in my bedroom. We were just in my filming room. I have all the stuff that I hauled on my bed right now. So I need to pack that stuff as well, and I also need to pack my makeup, which I see right there. So what I'm gonna do now is pack up or like organize my closet and see what I want to bring and what I don't want to bring. Just got out of the frame. Sorry. I have hair in my here's my mouth. So this is what I decided to keep from here on. So I just have some dresses, and then I have like 2 jean jackets, 2 like long sleeve just in case it gets cold. I also have like a hoodie like jacket kind of thing because it can get really cold inside, even though it won't be cold outside because I live in the desert. It will still be cold inside. You guys are still on my giant tripod, and I just haven't really felt the need to take you off because I'm lazy. I have more shoes up here. It's gonna be like a last minute kind of thing, you know, like we're not gonna deal with this until like I move tomorrow type of deal. I'm thinking right now I should pack my suitcase and stuff. That's what we're gonna do. Don't know why I felt like doing that, but I did. Let's move you up. Just finished packing. I feel like I have everything. I just need to charge like electronics and put the cords in there. I think that's as good as I can get for now. I mean, the last minute things I will definitely do last minute, duh. Besides like clothes and everyday things, I think I have everything. Oh, and shoes, besides shoes. We're gonna end this video. Check out JCPenney if you guys want to get some super cute and affordable dorm decor. It's like an all-in-one place. Definitely go check out your local JCPenney or shop their store online, shop online. Duh. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.